Welcome to Mobile Legends! Request launch attack! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Kecil dan fana, namun begitu murni dan berseri. Embusan angin Nordenfell membawa kisah masa lampau. Meski dingin, hangatnya kenangan masih terasa.
Lawan tidak mengambil buff ungu. Good game. Keep an eye on the map.
Dalam keabadian yang membeku, aku menemukan
First blood.
jangan lari dari dinginnya embun es. Queen's Peak senantiasa mengingatkanku pada ibu.
An enemy has been slain. Solo kill. Ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain. You have slain an enemy. Lawan sudah level 4.
Kekuatan es ini tak lekang oleh waktu.
An ally has slain the turtle.
Glacier perlu waktu lama untuk terbentuk.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
Banyak yang tak tahan dingin, namun bagiku itu
Good game.
anugerah.
An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Pesona es utara adalah kekal abadi.
You have slain an enemy. Ally has been slain. Double kill.
Anggap saja embun saljuku adalah hadiah.
Launch attack.
Understood.
Killing spree. Your team destroyed a turret. Instant kill. Ally has been slain.
Musim dingin telah datang.
An enemy has been slain. Launch attack. turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Ally has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain.
Es dan salju tidak memberi ampun.
Ally has been slain. The enemy has slain the turtle. Shut down.
Saljunya meleleh.
Instant kill. Executed.
Embusan angin
Ally
membengkel
has been slain.
membawa kisah masa lampau.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Siap merasakan dingin yang menutup
Ally
jiwa.
has been slain. Our turret has been destroyed. Initiate retreat. Shut down. Betul selamanya. Initiate retreat. An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. An enemy has been slain.
Embun salju bermekarlah.
Initiate retreat. Team destroy the turret. An ally has slain Orc. Your team destroyed the turret. Solo kill. Mega kill. Double kill. You have slain an enemy. Launch attack.
Understood.